Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, we're going to continue haul marathon week. Today I'm going to be doing a Bath and Body Works haul. I have a few things that I picked up. I also have a box here, so I do have a lot of things. I'm very excited to share with you guys because I took a little break from Bath and Body Works, specifically the fragrance mist. I felt like I needed a little break and not go so much because I was literally shopping in Bath and Body Works all the time. So I kind of took a little break, and then now I have a haul where I have some new fragrance mist that I want to try out. I have a few holiday things and some wallflowers for the house. So if you're interested in what I picked up from Bath and Body Works, just keep on watching. If you ever watch my vlogs, you guys know that I am a huge fan of decorating my girls' bathroom and just putting like fun stuff in there. I don't put a lot of super colorful things around the house, even though this year I'm decorating gingerbread theme. I'm so excited for their bathroom. I always just like to add like fun stuff. So I saw this and I just had to pick this up. This is a wallflower. It's so adorable because I am going to be doing pink in their bathroom, like pink Christmas decorations. So this is perfect for their bathroom, which I need to get a few more things. I guess let me just show this too, because this is what's going to go in there with that. So I'm also going to be putting this nutcracker soap dispenser. Isn't this the cutest? So I'm gonna put their pink shower curtain back up and then put these, find a few more like pink Christmas decor and make the bathroom really pretty. And then I just picked this one up. It's like a beige shade, really pretty. I just like to pick these up because this new house that I moved into is pretty big, and little by little I've just been adding more wallflower plugs here and there. And then I picked up some wallflowers really quickly. I picked up Clean House Vibes, really cute name. I picked up Cinnamon Stick, which is one of my all-time favorites for like fall time. This is warm and woodsy, so it has notes of cinnamon stick, vanilla, spiced sugar. The Clean House Vibes is supposed to have notes of lavender, bergamot, and mint blossom. I just really like this for like the laundry room, for the bathrooms. I have In the Stars, which is gonna be for my girls' bathroom, and this one has sparkling bergamot, apricot blossom, and fluffed sandalwood. I also got Sweater Weather, which is one of my favorite fall scents. And this has fresh sage, juniper berries, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh wood. Then we have mahogany teak wood. This smells like a sexy man. Rich mahogany, black teak wood, dark oak, and frosted lavender. As you can see, I like my house to smell like woodsy and spicy. Like all of those scents that I can't really pull off myself, I love for my house. So we also have Laundry Day. This is the one that I'm gonna put in the laundry room. And this one has fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, and soft lavender. The only place where I will take this smell is in the laundry room. I don't really like my house to smell too like laundry. I have another Cinnamon Stick because I love this one, and I have another Sweater Weather. So those are the wallflowers I picked up. And I'm getting to the point, you guys, where just reading notes of things, I kind of know if I'm gonna love something. So when I saw this candle, I was like, I have to love that. That sounds like my type of scent that I really love, and it sounds like something that's gonna make the house smell almost luxurious. A hotel where it's fresh and you maybe have like the ocean near you and beautiful. So this one is called Bergamot and Musk. Oh my god, this candle. This has notes of bergamot woods, blue waters. That makes so much sense. I just said a lobby close to the ocean, and cozy musk. This is everything. I love it. This candle is amazing. I want to pick up, I gotta see what they have. If they have wallflower in this, I will pick up like 700 of them. It's just like this clean scent without it being too laundry, without it being too ocean, because sometimes they're either too laundry or too like ocean like freshener or something. This is just perfection. It's soft and you get those vibes, but you also get like this dainty, it just smells expensive. I love it. Love it so much. Now let's get into the fragrance mist that I picked up. Oh wait, I have one more thing. I also picked up this room spray. You just need one pump of this and it will spread out through your entire home. It is strong. It's going to cover up anything. It's going to smell good. I picked up the Clean House Vibes Holiday Edition. This one smells really nice. It has, I don't even know what notes it has, but obviously it kind of feels kind of like maybe some cranberry or like some type of berry with some type of spice and cinnamon, and really nice for fall and winter. Now let's talk about the fragrance mist really quickly. Out of all of them, there is one that is like a hell no to me. Like I blind bought these, and then when I went to go pick up my order from the store and I smelled it, I was like, should I just return it here? Because I know I don't like this. But I just wanted to show it to you guys, talk to you guys about it, see how many of you guys like it, how many of you guys don't. And this one is I believe it's a new scent. So this one is Touch of Gold, and I believe this is a new fragrance mist. This has notes of bright blackberries, golden orange blossom, and decadent tonka. When I tell you, if you're looking for niche quality from Bath and Body Works, they don't say amber in here, but for some reason I'm getting something with amber. I am not a fan of this, not even in the least, but I can see how this could be popular because it smells very strong. It smells like a perfume, and it smells like high-end niche perfumes. Like, I'm not kidding. I did not spray this. This is just from what I sprayed in here when I received the order, and it is still strong. Like, I pick up on, there has to be amber in here because that's not all tonka. I don't like this one. I give this one like a 2 out of 10, maybe a 1.5 out of 10. This is not my type of scent. I'm gonna see if maybe someone in my family wants it, or I don't know. I don't like that one. Now let's go into the ones that I did like and the ones that I'm excited about. So I picked up Moonlit Goddess. I don't know if this has been released before or if this is completely new. I haven't really been keeping up with the new releases from Bath and Body Works, but this right here, this is so good. This is like Rare Beauty, Rare, and Burberry Goddess, but not exactly. Something in that body mist just smells really like grown and sexy, but like in a pretty way, you know? It's not like these oud stuff that just doesn't oud and amber and niche smells. That just does not make me feel pretty ever. But this smells so feminine. I love it. It kind of, you know what? I don't think this one's reminding me of Burberry Goddess or Rare Beauty. Yes, there's a similarity, but this one's reminding me more of Fleur's Soft Spot. So I'm gonna layer those two together because this is giving me soft spot vibes. And I think that's why I just liked it as soon as I smelled it. Next up, we have another one that has to be a dupe for Killian's Angel Share. So this one is Inner Angel. This is from the luxury line or something, but this has notes of spiced apple cognac, tonka bean, and warm praline. So I picked this up just to have it because I did get rid of my Angel Share, but I kept Juliana's perfume Kissed by an Angel, which is another amazing perfume. So those two layered together I think would be really, really nice. Or if you just want to add a little hint, this is perfect. You know why this is perfect? Because this has everything that I loved about Angel Share, but it doesn't have that masculine touch that I would get from Angel Share. Wow, they did a great job with this one. This is very this is so good. I think that's what I'm gonna have to stick to here in Arizona is actual like fragrance mists that are gourmand and warm and spicy, because I appreciate them so much more here. This is spicy, this is warm, it has cinnamon, it's cozy. It is just perfect to add to any combo. If you want to add fall vibes, definitely recommend this one. That is such a gorgeous fragrance mist. They did an amazing job with that one. And then I picked up Country Apple, which is a very old scent from Bath and Body Works, but this to me is one of the best apple fragrance mists that they have, and they hadn't put it on the website for a while. This has notes of apple blossom, fresh muguet, I don't know how you say that, sheer sunlight, and orchard woods. I am so happy they brought this back because this is one of their best apple scents. I like it better than winter candy apple. It's just so crisp, and you can literally wear this in fall. You can wear it in summer. You can wear it whenever you want. You can turn it into fall vibes, summer vibes, spring vibes. It is just, it smells like hair gel. It smells like, if any of you guys used, was it LA Looks gel? When I was in middle school, that's what I used to wear. And it just makes me think of that. I always felt so clean and so refreshed. Like, I always smelled good. I know I always smelled good. Just my hair products alone smelled good. So I knew I was smelling good in middle school. So this one's great if you want to just like layer any apple scents together. It's good to have. And then last but not least, I picked up Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. This one is so good. So this one has notes of warm bourbon, dark fruit, liqueur. And I can't pronounce certain things. Vanilla. Is it liqueur? I can't say it. But anyways, this smells like vanilla bean Noel with like a little bit more chrome vibes to it. This is so good. So excited with the fragrance mist that I got. This one is definitely thick but not cloying. It feels creamy, it feels sweet, but then there's like this grown feeling to it, and it's just beautiful. So perfect, and I cannot wait to play with all of these new fragrance mists. I'm happy with those. So the only one that I did not like is the Touch of Gold. I cannot, and it just smells too perfumey to me. Too like those types of perfumes just don't work for me. They've never worked for me. So that is it for everything that I picked up from Bath and Body Works this time around. Let me know if you have shopped recently at Bath and Body Works and what you have picked up, or if there's any scents that you are liking, any new scents that you're obsessed about or you recommend. Leave it in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and let's chat. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic. And if I was there, I finessed it. Take my pen and write some love letters to heaven.